our mom mostly stays here. She loves cooking kasi kung nasan yung mommy namin, nandun din kami. So, this is just perfect for her. Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you guys are noticing, we are at our vlog room right now. So, I actually just uploaded that last week. So if you haven't watched it, I'll put the link up here and please make sure to check that out. So we actually renovated our kitchen just recently, I guess because of the quarantine, because of the pandemic and everything. We're all at home and we're just really trying to do something and make the most of our time. So we did renovate our kitchen. It's all DIY, do it yourself, and it's all budget friendly as well. So I'll take you guys with us. I will be showing you some video clips on how we were doing it and also the finished product as well. So if you guys are still interested, just please keep on watching. Welcome to our newly renovated kitchen! So my family and I did this, my mom and my two sisters and also my dad. So everything is DIY and it's also budget friendly, so I will be giving you guys the breakdown of the prices and of course where we bought it as well. So since we are in the US, hopefully meron sa Shopee. I think you guys are actually luckier kasi mas mura sa Shopee. Even sa Amazon dito, mas mahal siya if i-convert mo sa peso. So yeah, hopefully nasa Shopee to it, diba? Hopefully you guys can also do it as well. So kung nakaya namin, kaya nyo rin for sure. So let's go ahead and start. So we actually renovated 4 parts of the kitchen. First one is the cabinets, and then the countertops, and then the backsplash right here. And the last part is just the miscellaneous, just the finishing touches, just the designs and decors that we have. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. Una namin ginawa yung cabinet. So my mom, siya yung nag-take out, nag-uninstall ng mga cabinet. So malinis naman. Malinis ba guys? Sorry. So screws lang naman to. So inalis niya. Each one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mga 15 cabinets in total, I guess. So yun. And then also what we did is minarkahan namin each one yung cabinet para namin kung top or bottom siya. So what we did is A, B, C, D, and so on. So yeah, so after uninstalling the cabinets, what we did next is sinand namin siya. I think that's the harder part kasi brown kasi yung color niya originally if you guys saw dun sa pictures. Medyo old style na rin kasi siya. So kailangan lang namin siyang isand. And since kami lang din yung gagawa niya, di ba? We wanted to make sure na, of course, first one is budget friendly and second, it is something that we can actually do. The second part na nga is yung sanding. Medyo mahirap siya kasi it's really time consuming. Kailangan mo talaga isand yung each part. Ganon. What we decided to do is, bumili kami nung machine na talagang iniikot-ikot mo na lang na ganon. So, it really helped. Probably like 30 minutes na gawa namin yung rest of the cabinets. So, yun. That's the hard part for us, yung sanding. But after that, everything went smoothly na. So, next, after sanding is paint. So that's the easiest part for us and also the fun part as well. So we did 3 coatings of white paint. I will be showing you guys the lang yung screenshot right here. It already includes a kit. So there's a 2 31-ounce cans of Nuvo cabinet paint, 1 roller arm, 2 roller covers, 2 inches angled paint brush, etc. So yun, everything's in there na already. So it's really fun na nag-paint kami kasi if you guys also know us and if you're a family and friends of ours, mahilig talaga kami mag-makeover ng house. So even nung nasa Pilipinas pa lang, we would really try once in a while na i-renovate yung rooms namin, yung sala. It's really colorful. So this is actually the first time na plain kami. We're wanting that modern farmhouse. Modern farmhouse. So yun. After the first coating, we try na ulit na isand uli siya kasi meron pa rin mga natitirang maligas-gas. So, second batch of sanding really helped a lot. So, yun. Nag-second coating kami and then third coating and then after that, flawless na siya. So, yan. And then the next naman is this doorknob right here. So, you guys may notice that it's glossy black. So, this one we didn't paint it. It's actually spray paint. Yan. So, ini-spray paint lang namin siya sa labas. My dad actually did this. After after that, we installed the cabinets. Madali lang din siya kasi isuscrew mo lang dito and we have that machine din. I will be showing you guys the video as well para makita nyo what we did with that. That's the first part that we did. The second one is the countertop. So we have this feature island. We actually got it from IKEA. So originally, this is wood type of counter and we wanted it to be white. So the options are actually granite and quartz countertops. So since that might also need further help from professionals, and since we are not professionals, we just did this contact paper. So we actually got it from Amazon. It's called Granite Look Marble Effect Interior Film Vinyl Self-Adhesive Peel Stick Countertop. Ang haba ng sinabi ko. Pero essentially, parang ka lang naglalagay ng screen protector sa iyong cellphone. Parang ganun lang siya. So talagang ididikit mo lang and then you just have to make sure na smooth siya and walang mga bubbles. I really did love the result of it in the aftermath. It looks really good. Hindi siya mukhang contact paper. I hope you guys agree. Let us know. So yes, so we have 3 counters right here. We have the kitchen island. We also have this, hindi siya island but it's more like a cabinet, just a storage space as well. So yeah, so we have this, and then of course the one that I was showing you guys earlier, this one. Sorry, pinapagalaw-galaw kita. Ayan. It's essentially really easy. Siguro talagang kailangan lang mag-focus and make sure na walang bubbles. Honestly, anyone can do it, so I'm sure you guys can as well. So yeah, I was also just corrected by my sisters. Inuna pala namin yung backsplash kesa tong countertop, so my apologies. So yeah, what we did naman, so we have this backsplash right here. So originally, we have white tiles behind this. If we do opt for a different backsplash, kailangan mo talagang palitan yung tiles niya. And of course, kailangan namin ng further help from people. So this is what we got. So it's called R3D Peel and Stick Wall Tile for Kitchen Backsplash. Pag zoom in natin guys, is actually 3D, which is cool. Ito yung medyo mahirap gawin kasi hindi siya pantay-pantay. So kailangan mo talaga make sure na everything is perfect sa pagkakalagay. So yan, so we have the colors are white, black, meron tayong quartz black and quartz white right there. Since the kitchen is all white na nga, and we just opted for a pop of color backsplash. So yeah, I will be showing you guys videos of it. Medyo matagal to gawin and this is actually my little sister's specialty, so siyang nagdikitan even when it's hard, especially this area right here. It really looks good. So very pretty. And then also, we have another backsplash right here sa ating stove area. So the main reason why it is actually different is because kapag nagluluto tayo, may tendency na yung oil tumatalsik siya sa wall. And of course, we have to clean it with rug or paper towel. Pag ito yung ginamit natin, the one we used dun sa ating kaninang backsplash, it's not wipeable. So, mas makinis kasi siya. So, pag may madumi, madali lang siyang linisin. From Amazon, it's called R3D Peel and Stick Tile Backsplash. Premium Anti-Mold Kitchen Backsplash Peel and Stick Tile White. Yeah, so that's basically it, guys. So the fourth part na, this is our favorite part because we love designing. This one, you guys already know. So we just got this from Five Below actually. So this is just $5. This, I'm not sure where we got this now. But mostly, everything is from either Burlington, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Ross, IKEA as well. Yeah, the plants are actually from IKEA. We actually did add a lot of plants kasi it gives life to the kitchen and to everywhere, I guess, to any room in the house. This one, just a background story from this, is from my grandparents' house. So when we were kids, pa nagbabakasyon kami doon ng sister ko, nagmamadali kami sa umaga na palitan yung date. So sabi namin kung sino yung unang magising, siya yung magpapalit ng date. So yeah, we also incorporated that here because it just reminds us of, you know, home, Philippines, and just our grandparents as well. Yeah, and we'll also look forward na one day pag meron ng mga little kids dito, nagmamadali din sila para palitan niya. Oh, so cute. So yun, what else? So we also have this decors right here. Plants, the kitchen is the heart of the home. Yes, of course. And also one quick note as well, guys. So we really decided to make sure that this kitchen is beautiful. That's because our mom mostly stays here. She loves cooking kasi, and kung nasan yung mommy namin, nandun din kami. So this is just perfect for her. Okay, so we also got this new oven mitts. We also have these new towelettes right here to match the space as well. We also have new rugs for the kitchen. Okay, and of course we have this decors right here as well. So we have candles everywhere. Our house is actually filled with so much candles. So yeah, we have decors and we have plants right here. And this one is really nice. Para siyang dice. We just have one more decor that my parents added. So insisted on installing. So we added LED lights just on top of these cabinets right here. Kasi sabi ng parents ko, parang ang sarap mag-chill sa gabi dahil sa mga lights na to. So here it is, guys. Let us know what you think. It's these lights right here. Yeah, so it has different colors. We have remote control for this one. So we can actually change it. I personally prefer blue. So let's just look at red and green, pink. So if we do close the lights, yun ang itsura niya. Meron nga kaming inside joke sa family na sabi namin, para kaming naging napunta sa isang resort sa Pansol. So let us know, guys, what you think. Kung para nga ba kaming nasa Pansol na resort or it adds value to the kitchen. But our parents did like it. Our titas and titos here in Chicago loved it. So I guess it worked. So as you guys may notice, parang may liwanag siya dito sa likod. That's because we added LED lights right here. It's color white lang, so parang mas nabibigyan ng accent yung mga decors natin. And if also we have food right here. So recently we had a small party and then we are so thankful because of all the counter space. Hindi nagmukhang crowded and messy yung kitchen namin. So yes, this helped a lot and we really loved the new kitchen. So yeah, we have these LED lights. These are also from Amazon and you can actually adjust the brightness as well. So whatever suits your needs, I guess. And then the remote is right here naman. Ano yan? Plus and minus. Ayan. So para lang ma-adjust mo yung brightness. So yeah, that is it, guys! Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let us know what your thoughts are. Hopefully, na-enjoy nyo ang aming kitchen tour, our newly renovated kitchen. And hopefully, na-inspire din kayo to actually renovate your homes as well. If you do have any questions for us, please let us know. We will be more than happy to answer your questions regarding where we bought it, how much it is, and any advice. I know for a fact na madami dyan sa Shopee and Lazada and it's so much cheaper as well. So kung pwede lang actually na dyan kami bumili and then i-import namin dito, that would be a great option. But of course we can. So yeah, that's it. So please let us know what you think. And of course, thank you so much guys for watching. This is Eliza and we are sending love and light your way from the US to the Philippines. So see you guys in the next